emergency alert
Go
system.
ahead and throw her in a business boutique book from Christy Wright, too. She may want to start a side hustle. Yeah, side hustle with two little boys might be a... But you got some...
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Not tomorrow. Not in a few years.
A powerful threat calls for a greater response.
Well now, Utah stations don't even send the end of message tones. That's interesting. Well, that's Utah's test, caught on KSLAM and KDXUAM, so yeah, that's Utah's test. Bye now.